Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman. Selamat sore, dan di sini aku kembali lagi di sebuah air terjun yang bagaimana sering ini namanya. Kalau sering itu bisa dibilang air terjun favorit ya teman-teman. Dan di sini aku ingin menunjukkan sangat berbeda dari video-video yang sebelumnya, dimana kali ini aku mau tunjukkan pemandangan sebelum aku mandi ya, sebelum mengeksplor mandi di air terjun. Aku mau lihatkan dulu pemandangan yang ada di atas ini, dari air terjun ke atas ya teman-teman, seperti apa. Dan ini sangat berisik sekali karena di bawah itu masih rame ya, orang sedang mandi juga di air terjunnya. Bisa terlihat di sini ya, sana air terjunnya bisa terlihat ya. Bisa terlihat. Dan gitu aja, dan pokoknya tonton terus video ini sampai selesai. Dan aku akan tunjukkan sebuah pemandangan air terjun yang sangat luar biasa ini, yang berada di Konawe Utara tentunya, yang ada di mana ya, pokoknya di dalam hutan ini ya. Dan ya, sebelum Lasolo ya, kalau di sini sebelum Lasolo, yaitu lewati Molawe. Oke teman-teman, inilah saksikan air terjunnya sebelum kita mandi.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. Inside of me, we can build and build until you find a seat. Whoa, it's taking over, then no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home and stuff. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuff. Under the rug, all my problems that are shoved.
I got nightmares in my head, I feel like the thoughts build up until I can't feel. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I feel like the thoughts build up until I can't feel. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't see the focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't see the focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Ini sungguh luar biasa sekali. Hari ini kita eksplor lagi di tempat air terjun yang ada di Konawe Utara yang namanya air terjun Tiku ya teman-teman. Dan itu tadi, tadi dalam video aku tunjukkan sebuah pemandangan dari air terjun ke atas ya. Bisa terlihat ini benar-benar air terjun ini benar-benar di dalam hutan sekali ya teman-teman. Yaitu sangat-sangat rimbun ya, alangkah akan tetapi air terjunnya ini benar-benar sungguh alami karena berada di dalam hutan sekali ya. Dan untuk pergi ke air terjun ini sangat luar biasa, meskipun dia berada di dalam hutan, tetapi mobil atau kendaraan roda 2 atau roda 4 itu bisa sampai di tempat tujuan ini ya teman-teman. Itu luar biasanya ya teman-teman, karena jalannya itu udah dibuat ya, apalagi ini karena pertama kali kita menjelajah untuk air terjun ini agak sedikit bisa dibilang bebatuan, tidak pokoknya luar ekstrimnya ya teman-teman. Akan tetapi ini yang sudah beberapa kali kita kesini, jalannya sudah diperbaiki, sudah bagus dan mantap. Dan ada ini mungkin untuk tempat parkirnya ya teman-teman, sangat luas sekali. Tapi ini ada tanaman-tanaman yang sedang ditanam, ini pohon kelapa sini. Dan kita bisa melihat dari sini ya, seperti tadi yang dari awal video itu, dari tempat parkiran motor itu kita bisa melihat dari sini air terjunnya. Bisa terlihat ya di situ, sangat luar biasa sekali. Dan oke teman-teman, karena ini sudah sangat-sangat sore sekali dan wah, ini benar-benar udaranya benar-benar asik dan segar ya. Hirupan udaranya ya teman-teman. Dan oke, terima kasih buat teman-teman. Mungkin cukup sampai di sini dulu video kali ini, dan jangan lupa buat yang belum like, komen, dan subscribe bisa di like, komen, dan subscribe sekarang. Dan oke, gitu aja, dan kita akan berpetualang di mana lagi, dan pokoknya ditunggu aja video terbaru dari saya. Oke, gitu aja teman-teman, dan aku mau pamit. Sampai jumpa di video saya berikutnya. Bye bye.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.